3 things to take care during tile installation. Hello friends, today we will talk about 3 things to take care during tile installation. People who are thinking about renovating the home should know that these days tiles are very much in trend. Actually, people used to install tiles in different parts of the house, just like floors, rooftops, bathroom, kitchen, walls, and also on the tabletops. Actually, it's the best way to enhance the overall look of the house. In fact, it is the cheapest way to enhance the look of the entire house. Basically, these tiles are available in so many different designs, textures, styles, patterns, and colors. Another amazing thing about these tiles is that presently these tiles are available in different types. Just like you can get glass tiles, roof tiles, ceiling tiles, floor tiles, wall tiles, and also pebble tiles. Keep in mind that while installing these tiles, you have to take care of some very important things discussed below. Number 1. Things to consider before installing tile. So before starting the process of tile installation, you have to work at the plinth level. And for this, you have to do proper compaction of the soil layer at the place where you are planning to install tiles. Other than that, you have to check whether the subfloor contains PCC, brick beds and RCC or not. After that, you have to check the leveling of the floor. After doing that, now you should prefer to do proper brick masonry and also the work of plaster in all the rooms where you are planning to install the tiles. Number 2. Take care of materials while installing the tiles. Other than that, there are certain things you have to do properly while installing tiles in the rooms. First of all, make sure that you have all the tile installation material just like tiles, cement and sand. It will be best if you actually count the number of tiles that you actually need to install in any particular room. After that, you should know about the following things. Keep in mind that you have to test different types of materials which you have to install. And make sure that all these things must be done as per standard specification or according to the amount that is mentioned in the work order. After that, you have to make sure that you have all types of tools, plants, equipment and machinery so that you would complete the tile installation work successfully. Keep in mind that you are liable to do the steel or bamboo scaffolding to ensure the safety of the tiles. And you have to do this task while installing tile on the wall. Other than that, you are liable to remove all types of loose or hardened mortar right from the slab and then simply clean the slab with the help of blowing air or by jetting water right on the surface of the tiles. Number 3. Testing the entire work of tiles installation. After installation of the tiles, now you are liable to test the tiles to make sure whether it is installed properly or not. From this, start with checking the proper line and levels of tiles in which these tiles are installed. Keep in mind that you have to be extra careful while installing tile and checking its joint, because that might become a reason for water leakages or dampness. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to the Engineer Ajay Lords channel, How to Make Home.